If you've ever treated a vaginal infection before and you realize that these infections keep coming back, then this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to be explaining 3 major reasons why your vaginal infections keep coming back. Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Busari Molayo and I'm a registered nurse. On this channel, I film content related to nursing and healthcare, and just like I said earlier, in today's video, I'm going to be explaining 3 major reasons your vaginal infections keep coming back. So if you're new here, please click on the subscribe button to join the YouTube family and also on the bell icon so you don't miss out when I drop another amazing video like this. With that being said, let's get to point 1. Now, the first reason your vaginal infections keep coming back is because you're using the wrong drug. Yes, a lot of us are guilty of self-medications. We just go over the counter and feel, oh, I need to get some antibiotics because I have a vaginal infection. Unknown to us, not all vaginal infections are caused by bacteria. Antibiotics are designed in different ways. They have different classes, they have different purposes, different strengths. Some are bacteriostatic, in other words, they stop the growth of the bacteria. Some are bactericidal, in other words, they kill the bacteria. And different bacteria are sensitive to different antibiotics. So you can't just go over the counter to get a particular antibiotics just because you feel you have a bacterial infection. You have an infection generally, which may not even be a bacterial infection in the first place. So you're definitely just going to keep taking those drugs. The symptoms may reside for a little while, but definitely since you use the wrong drug, the infection is going to keep coming back. So what should you do in this situation? I would recommend that you visit the hospital and get a test done. That test is usually called MCS, microculture and sensitivity test. They are going to take a specimen from your vagina and they will culture that specimen and find which exact drug, either antibiotic or antifungal, that is appropriate to treat that infection. Second reason your vaginal infections keep coming back is because you don't complete treatments. Yes, most course of treatments have the time that they are supposed to last for. Some treatments are supposed to last for maybe a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, depending on the extent of the infection and how strong the bacteria is. Some of us, once we use the drug for a while and we feel the symptoms have receded or the symptoms are gone, we just stop using the drugs, or sometimes we just forget about using the drugs. And when the infection comes back, we start saying, oh, my infection is back, I thought I used the drug, the doctor prescribed for me. Despite the fact that you've done a test, the right drug was prescribed, if you still don't complete your treatment, then your infection will definitely come back. The third reason why your vaginal infections come back is because you are reinfecting yourself. Now, this point is particularly for those who are sexually active. There are several vaginal infections that are sexually transmitted. Now, imagine you as the lady with the infection have gone to the hospital, done the necessary tests, got the appropriate drugs, and the symptoms are gone, like the bacteria is gone, or you go back to your partner that you're probably having sex with, who has not even been treated for the same infection, and you have unprotected sex with that person, then your infection is definitely going to come back, because the drug does not exactly give you immunity against that infection. It will only cure what it meets in your body. Do you get my point? So going back to where you got the infection from is definitely going to bring the infection back into your body system. So most times medical practitioners advise that when you're getting treated for vaginal infections that are sexually transmitted, it is advisable that you get treated alongside your sexual partner. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button below and join the YouTube family. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.